Эй, listen, is right.
Смотри, этот голову поднял. О, Надя, который спал.
Я вижу. Heading in the water. Heading in the water.
Oh, awesome.
Is that big one? What's the call?
Yes, Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Nice to meet you at this moment. Okay. And yeah, this is the finish time. Yeah. We normally take the crocodile at 5 p.m. every day. Okay. And this is just a matter for you to they normally react while taking their food. And we find that we have others they normally take away. We find that this one they can stay for long without consuming any other food because the lack of the digestion system is very strong. So don't ask me why.
Пока он рассказывает, может быть, надо показать.
Okay?